Welcome back to our channel, where we dive deep into the latest gear for photographers and videographers. Today, we're excited to bring you a comprehensive review of the Desview R7 monitor. If you're in the market for an external monitor that offers exceptional performance and features, you're in the right place. We'll take a closer look at the R7 and help you decide if it's the right choice for your creative needs. Let's kick things off with an introduction to the Desview R7 monitor. This monitor has been gaining attention for its impressive specifications and capabilities. But does it live up to the hype? We're about to find out. First, let's talk about the design and build of the Desview R7. This monitor boasts describe the design and build features, such as build quality, size, weight, and any unique design elements. Now, onto one of the most crucial aspects of any monitor, the display quality. The Desview R7 comes equipped with mentioned screen size and technology display, which promises highlight any notable features related to display quality, such as resolution, brightness, color accuracy, and viewing angles. Moving on to features, the R7 doesn't disappoint. It offers a range of described key features like touchscreen functionality, connectivity options, focus assist tools, and any other standout features. These features can be a game changer for videographers and photographers looking to up their game. Performance is where the rubber meets the road, and the Desview R7 doesn't falter. It delivers mention any performance-related aspects, such as real-time monitoring capabilities, responsiveness, and reliability. User experience is vital, and the R7 strives to talk about the overall user experience, including ease of use, menu navigation, and any user-friendly features. Now, let's break it down with the pros and cons of the Desview R7 monitor. Pros. List the advantages and strengths of the R7. Highlight any exceptional features or benefits. Cons. Discuss any limitations or drawbacks. Address any areas where improvements could be made. Thank you for joining us in this in-depth review of the Desview R7 monitor. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing to our channel for more reviews, and sharing it with your fellow photographers and videographers. Your support is greatly appreciated.